nursing is more than just a profession. It's a calling to care, heal, and make a difference in people's lives. At Sri Sri College of Nursing, we are shaping the next generation of healthcare professionals who lead with compassion and excel in clinical expertise. Our nursing programs provide a comprehensive blend of theory and practice, equipping students with the skills they need to deliver high-quality patient care. From foundational nursing practices to advanced clinical techniques, our curriculum is designed to prepare students for the dynamic and demanding world of healthcare.
Here our team is working hard to produce the compassionate and caring nurses who can serve globally, not only in our country.
At SriSriUniversity, hands-on learning is at the heart of our nursing programs.
We provide exceptional world-class education with high technology simulated labs, great environment, beautiful campus, and great experienced teacher.
From patient care to community health, students develop the skills to handle diverse healthcare environments with confidence and compassion. Sri Sri College of Nursing is where knowledge meets compassion, preparing students to be leaders in healthcare.
I have chosen this college because it has its best infrastructure and well-equipped labs. Here all the teachers and faculty members are very much cooperative, and this campus is eco-friendly.
If you're ready to make a meaningful impact in the lives of others, this is where your journey begins. Join us in building a healthier world, one patient at a time.